guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a big thanks to Course Hero for sponsoring this video because Course Hero gets it. They know what it's like to be a college student stuck on homework, stuck on an assignment, stuck on anything your professor has assigned and not knowing what to do, like literally having no clue. Course Hero gets it. Course Hero is an online learning platform, guys. They have textbook solutions, study guides, class notes, step-by-step explanations of problems for so many subjects, so many majors. There's biology, there's accounting. I'm an accounting major, so this site helps me all the time. I know you guys are all tapped out of your 3 tries per month, so let me tell you why Course Hero is worth it. Just loading up the Course Hero site, theme on the page is already Get Unstuck. So you see right there, you have access to 30 million course-specific study materials. 30 million. You can find study resources by school, textbook, subject, or literature title. There's 24/7 homework help. You literally just start typing. What are you looking for? You can even upload your own resources. Like I said before, Course Hero has loads of textbook solutions and explanations. Simply type in your textbook and search. And here's a sneak peek of their new practice problems beta. Hey, I got it right. Okay. They even give you the source document, guys. So this is practice problems beta. There's even 24/7 help from tutors. All you have to do is ask a question. And you can get your answers as fast as 15 minutes, guys. So there's my question, and now all I have to do is wait. My question was literally answered like 18 minutes later. Even professors upload documents for students to use. All you have to do is click on a document and simply click Unlock Document. Now you have access to view the entire document. As you can see, Course Hero is super easy to use and highly effective. It has saved me time and time again. And it can save you too. From now until December 15, 2019, Course Hero is offering some great sweepstakes. Click the link in the description box and find out how you guys can win a $50,000 cash prize. Not to mention you could win a MacBook Pro or a flight and hotel package. Come on now, those are some great deals. These prizes can definitely help you if you're looking to pay off some student loans or even pay for your tuition. Maybe if you just want to take a nice trip across the country. Maybe your computer is super old and you need a new one. This is a great opportunity. By uploading content and contributing to the community, you will gain access to the site for free. That way, Course Hero can be very give and take. So just to recap, Course Hero offers textbook solutions, 24-hour tutors, study documents, study guides. I know how it is being in college. I've been in college for 4 years. And it hasn't been easy. There's been late nights. There has been literally breakdowns. There have been times where I wanted to cry because I did not understand. There have been times where I did cry. I have videos literally of me crying because of some of this work. But it doesn't always have to be like that. You know, there are resources out there for us to use, and Course Hero is definitely one of them. It helped me, and I know it can help you. Thank you all for watching, and I hope that you will give Course Hero a try and upload those study documents so you guys can be entered to win $50,000 in cash. Again, a big thank you to Course Hero for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!